Hi everyone, I am doing a review on the Sitz bath and it comes with a toilet seat that you put on, and we already put some warm water on there, and then what you do is you put it over the toilet seat. And then this kit does come with this hemorrhoid relief soap blend. It's 100% natural. It does have witch hazel extract on it, tea tree oil, Epsom salts, aloe vera oil, coconut oil, so all the good stuff in here. So we're just doing this demo, but we'll just pour just a little bit inside for you guys to see how it looks like. So there's a couple. Let me see if we can pour. Yep, this is how it looks like inside. I'll just put some on my hand so we can see how. All right, that's good. So this is how it looks like, and then you would just pour it in here, but we're just doing a demo. So that's how you would use the Sitz bath. And the seat here, you can actually push it up once you're done, and then once you're done, you would just dump the water into the toilet. Okay, so then once you are done, you would go ahead and dump, and there's hose here, so you could just pour the water down the toilet seat. Makes it very convenient without making a big mess everywhere. And then you can actually push this here back up and store it away. So very convenient and easy to use. I would highly recommend this if anyone is dealing with hemorrhoids or you need this for your body.